Hi friends! So we're getting ready for bedtime, and every night before bedtime, what do we always do, Hartley?
Sleep by ourselves.
We sleep by ourselves. We also brush our teeth, don't we?
And we also shower and what else?
And
Get changed.
And we've already done the shower and we've already get changed. So we're just left to brush our teeth. We're also here with all these superheroes. Hartley, name these superheroes that have not brushed their teeth yet.
Hulk, Spidey, Flash, Iron Man, and what else?
Black Panther. Okay, so we're gonna brush Hartley's teeth first, and then we'll work on the superheroes, and we'll get ready for bedtime. Okay, go Hartley, go. Brush your teeth. Say cheese. Always get the front of your teeth by saying cheese.
Up and down.
Say cheese, Hartley, and brush, brush, brush. Show your friends.
And also up and down.
And also up and down at the front.
Only do up and down.
Yes, to get all those hard to reach places. Yes. And how about
No, we don't do up.
Yeah, we do so that we can get the bottom of the teeth.
No, I don't want to do up.
Okay, can you show your friends though?
Okay.
So that we can also do it for the
But
superheroes.
can I put on toothpaste?
Oh, you want some toothpaste? Yes, sure. Let's get some toothpaste. Okay, now look in the mirror and say
Okay.
Yep, go, brush.
I need to do this.
Oh, we'll do that after.
Like this.
Okay, we're almost finished with your, yep, go, yeah, that's it. And, how about your tongue? That's cool. Alright, Hartley, are you all done with your, brushing?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay, all done.
Okay, do we have to rinse? Okay, let's rinse this. Rinse.
Now, Daddy.
And now we gotta rinse your mouth. Can you rinse your mouth as well? Oh. Okay, let Daddy try. Rinse. Okay, now let's quickly brush the superhero's teeth.
Can you put on toothpaste?
Let's put on some toothpaste. Now, Daddy is going to brush all the superheroes' teeth, okay? Ready? Hulk, go. Brush. Who's next? Spidey? Brush. Who's next? Flash? Brush. Ooh, smells so good. Iron Man? Brush. Black Panther? Brush. Hartley, does their breath smell really good now? Oh, Iron Man wanted to go for a swim first. Let's rinse Iron Man off. Yeah? Who else do we have to rinse off? Black Panther, and Flash, and Hulk, and Spidey. Oh, Hartley, what are you doing? Okay, I think we've rinsed him off enough with your mouth. Okay, Hartley, why don't we go? Tell your friends where we're headed. We're going to go to the bedroom.
Yeah, honestly.
Tell your friends.
I'm gonna sleep with Mama.
Okay, well, we can go after this. But friends, we're gonna head over to the bedroom to tuck in all the superheroes and Hartley, and we might even get a bedtime story in there. Let's go. Alright. Okay, maybe tomorrow, okay? Alright, Hartley, let's sleep with the superheroes.
I don't want to sleep with Momo.
No, Momo is sleeping in the potty cup.
But I want to sleep with...
Okay, how about you try sleep over here with the superheroes? Let's put all the superheroes down. Guys, okay, who's going that side? Are you gonna sleep on that side, Hartley? Or is the superheroes gonna sleep on that side?
They're gonna sleep
Okay, so
on that.
I'll pass the superheroes to you. Why don't you go and put all the superheroes off to bed? You climb up here. Yep, who do you want next?
Batman.
Batman. There you go.
Okay.
And
Flash.
Yeah, who else?
Hulk.
Hulk.
Spidey.
Spidey.
You guys both just be right over here, okay? Because you have to go sleep here over instead.
Okay, who else would you like?
Black Panther.
Panther.
Black
Yeah, and who else? Wonder Woman.
and also Flash.
Flash is already up here. You mean Iron Man?
Yeah.
Iron Man.
And also need Thor
Thor.
and Iron Man.
And our last one is Captain America.
Yeah.
Now, Hartley, why don't you go in the corner over there and sleep next to them? And why don't Daddy tell all of the superheroes a bedtime story?
Yeah.
That sounds like a good idea.
What about me?
Yeah, go. You go. Where are you gonna fit in?
I'm gonna fit up there.
Oh, you're gonna go at top of the bunk? I don't think so. I think you should come here next to Captain America. Why don't we go here? Okay.
So I never see everybody. So I never...
Okay. Well, ready? So, are you ready for your bedtime story? Okay. All right, everybody. Are you guys comfortable?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm not coming.
All right. You ready? Once upon a time. Oh, are you okay? Okay.
Maybe we should...
Which story would you like to hear? Of which superhero?
Spider-Man.
Okay.
Where's Venom?
Once upon a time, there was a little boy, and he's named Peter Park. Peter Park was unfortunately, Hartley, before I read you a bedtime story, should we say goodbye to all your friends and say thank you for joining us on our bedtime routine?
Yeah.
All our superheroes really appreciate you guys, and we will catch you on the next video. Good night. Say good night.
But Daddy, it didn't take too long.
Yeah, it didn't take too long. That didn't take too long. Say good night to all our
But
friends.
Daddy, take too long.
Oh, okay. I will take too long. Okay, bye. Say goodbye first. Okay, I think that's enough anyways.